guys, I'm at home in my studio finally, and I have to unpack everything into my kit because I can't have it looking like that because I already have a job this Saturday. Today's Thursday, so I need to organize my studio, and I'm so happy to be back home into my routine because I don't know, I'm a creature of habit. And thankfully I already cleaned everything, like sanitized everything, so now I just have to properly store everything. I really missed my kit. Also, if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Giselle. I'm a makeup artist here in Alabama, but I love to freelance and I go pretty much anywhere you tell me to. I am 23, I don't know if I already said that, and I've been doing this since I was like 15. And I currently live in Central Alabama. I've been doing makeup since I was 15, but I started my YouTube channel when I was like barely 16 years old. I started it because I loved watching YouTube and I wanted to show like how I did my makeup, and then after that, that's how I like kind of started my career a little bit more, and I took it seriously because once people started seeing that I was doing makeup on myself, then I would get hired more. And this is my studio. I have a whole YouTube video on the tour if you guys want to see, and I also have an Instagram page if you want to follow me on there. I have 2 Instagrams. I have a personal and I have a business, and yeah. I've just been working at the restaurant since I haven't really been here for too long. This is I think it's been a whole week since I just got home from Mexico, and I finally got my nails done because I didn't get the chance to do them in Mexico, and look how beautiful they are. My nail tech lives in Birmingham. If you guys are from here, you should check her out. Jackie is really talented, so I recommend her if you're looking for the same type of nail art that I like. But anyway, I'm gonna start unpacking everything. I had to bring everything in like random bags. Alright guys, I just finished and I feel very accomplished because I did that in less than 2 hours. I don't know. Just time flies by when I'm here, but I'm ready to go home. And I think I have to work later, so I need to get ready for that. It's Thursday, so it's gonna get a little busy. I think we have a party of 50 today, or 40 at 5. So yeah, I think I should go and relax a little bit before I go to work. Hey guys, so it's much later in the day and I just got out of the shower and I gave myself a blowout, and this is my first time giving myself a blowout with my haircut. I got a haircut in Mexico, if you didn't know, but they cut it in layers and it gave me like really good volume, so when I like style it, it doesn't look so flat, and I love how it looks. Especially like it's still long, but it has like a lot of movement in my hair and it doesn't feel as heavy. He definitely did such a great job. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm doing, and I'm so, I don't know, like these past couple of days I've just been really like enjoying my house because like I missed it a lot, you know. I miss my routine. I have a very specific routine and things that I do during my day, so when I was in Mexico I obviously couldn't do them. For example, I didn't have this, I didn't have my headband, like things like that. You really just enhance my night, and they kind of like, it's kind of like romanticizing my life, if that makes sense. And I just like those little things, and it makes my day even better for me. But anyway, if you guys are like curious on my Mexico trips and you're new to my channel, I do have the whole playlist of my vlogs when I go to Mexico, so if you're interested, check them out. I've been using this Dermatology Needless Serum. It's supposed to like just help to like moisturize your wrinkles, and it feels pretty good, like it melts into my skin pretty fast. My go-to, I love the First Aid Beauty cream. It just feels like enough moisture for the night. It's also for your body, and it's just like awesome for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, knock on wood, but it works really well. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my nighttime routine and I will check with you guys in later. Good night. Good morning guys, it is Saturday morning and I have to get super ready like this because I have clients at 7 a.m. and it's 6:40. I'm just gonna do a little concealer like this and then a little bit of mascara maybe. I don't know. But it's in my studio, so that's why I'm taking a little bit of my time. This is my first couple of clients since I came back from Mexico, so I'm excited to like do makeup in the States again. I've been really liking my Infallible powder again. It's just super pretty on the skin. It looks like butter. So I'm just gonna set that a little bit. I'm just putting on any type of blush that's left on my cream blush brush, just because I don't want to look completely flat. This will probably give me a little bit of color. Okay. I might just do my eyebrows. I don't really want to do my eyelashes or anything. So I'm also trying to let my eyebrows grow out because I feel like I've been shaving them too thin, especially my left brow. It's already really thin compared to my right brow. So I'm gonna try to let them grow out a bit. It's a little hard when you see a hair and you want to pluck, but I have to have self-control. And the good thing is that yesterday, before I was going to work, I went to my studio to set up just so that I wouldn't have to think about it anymore. So everything is already ready to go. I just have to turn on the lights and just wait for my clients. Hopefully they get here on time because they're coming from like Birmingham and that's like kind of far. And I was surprised that she said 7 a.m. I was like, okay, you want 7 a.m.? Alright. And I just have a butterfly clip that my mom got me. It's really cute. I don't know if you saw it. I need to buy a new deodorant because this one, it was good, but it literally would stain my shirts if it's black. It just stains everything. I'm wearing this black dress. This has been a go-to during the summer. It's Alien Goddess. Okay, I'm gonna put some little sandals on and I'm head out.
I promise you this.
Alright, so I just finished. I cleaned up everything and now I'm gonna go home. I'm really tired, but I'm also hungry. Oh snap. And I also figured out that I lost my finger palette, like my little metal palette thing that I put on my finger when I do eyeliner, and I need that thing because it's like so efficient for me to be like working just from that little palette instead of going back and forth. So I need to order that. I lost it. I don't know where it's at. And I also need to buy some like Cinema Secrets. What else? I think that's it. And maybe some eyelashes. You can never have enough. And some under eye patches that I put on my clients before. But yeah, other than that, it was really easygoing first job back. And now I'm gonna head home. Hi guys, it's been a couple days since I last saw you, but I've just been working at the restaurant, y'all. Like, I just haven't been doing anything entertaining. I've just been really busy at the restaurant, but I'm currently getting ready very quickly to go to my Brazilian appointment. I always get them. It's been like over a year since I've been getting them and it's life-changing. Eventually, I do want to get laser, but for right now, I'm just doing Brazilians. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup on, because after I really want to go to Sephora because my mom told me that she got this, so I need to go and take advantage. And actually I need to read what I can buy with it. Okay, yeah, I'm using the Makeup by Mario foundation in the shade, I think it's like 310 if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty good. I just don't really need to buy foundation right now, but I really wanted to try it out before I buy it, if I ever do buy it. I'm also in the process of editing my vlog of the one where I go back to the States and I go to the Peso Pluma concert. That it's just been so chaotic in my life right now that I just don't have time to sit down. And if I do, I get so sleepy because I do it like at the end of the night and I don't feel like waking up to edit because I'm like super sleepy in the morning and I just don't. Slowly but surely I'm doing that. My appointment's at 1:15 and it's 12:50, so I need to hurry up because I don't like getting there late. It's not okay. I'm gonna quickly finish my makeup. I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush and mascara and brush up my brows and I'm gonna leave. Alright, BRB. Alright guys, so I just got out of my Brazilian and I'm at Kohl's now. I don't know what I'm gonna get, so I'm just gonna roam around. I'll take you guys with me. I'm gonna use my phone to vlog because I don't like using my camera like this in public, especially at a store where there's employees walking. Like, I don't want them to tell me anything and make it awkward. Pero vamos a ver lo que me encuentro. Siempre hay algo para poner en mi kit. Do I need anything? Maybe more skincare, but I don't know, we'll see. So at first I went to Ordinary and I thought I wanted to get a serum, but then I was like looking around and I got distracted by another brand, and then I saw Laneige and I saw that they had this other cream toner. I don't know what's the difference between this one and the other one right next to it because I use that one, but then I saw Laneige and I was just looking around. I like this toner too. I use it in my kit as well. And then I saw that Fenty had like more skincare stuff, so I was just testing some little scrubs they had. It smelled like cherries. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the quickest Sephora haul of my life because it's really hot and I don't want my camera to overheat. But I'm really proud of myself because I ended up getting things I actually needed, and I remembered that I needed more conditioner and shampoo. I used the Ways medium hair shampoo and conditioner. This is just like really good. It makes my hair feel super clean, very hydrated, shiny, and it just is really good, and it smells really nice too. And last but not least, I needed more deodorant, and I've always wanted to try this one. I can't really pronounce it. It's Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. This deodorant isn't natural by any means. I think they do have a more natural version on Sephora's website, if I'm not mistaken. But I heard everyone saying that this is like the best smelling, where are my keys? Deodorant, and like I am a sucker for anything that smells good. So I was looking at the Rio de Janeiro. I love their deodorants. Like, I like how they smell. I liked how they performed on my armpits, but they didn't have it in store. They only had their perfumes and their mists and oils and creams and all that. So let me try this one. Si no me gusta, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to return it because this is expensive. It was like $32 for a freaking deodorant, but I had that 10% off. Dude, why can't I take it off? Oh, I think I have to pump it up. Right? Oh, it smells good. It smells like a rich hotel, like a very expensive hotel. Yeah, it smells good. Hopefully it doesn't give me like a white cast though. We'll see. It doesn't look like it leaves a white cast because that bothers me so much. Yeah, I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. And it looks really bougie too, right? Like the packaging, it's like very nice. Anyway, so I'm going to head home. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I'm not doing anything else exciting. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be part of my family here on YouTube. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!